This is a wood cream. It's one of the line that we have for exterior. Wood cream is designed only for vertical applications, so fences, sidings, that's where the product will go. Also zero VOC, one component. Application is just done with a paintbrush, very easy to apply.
And you'll notice the viscosity of this. It's a wax-based cream product, so it's not meant to be highly viscous. Yeah.
Very easy to apply, just like the the Duragrit. The only difference is a few different colors, and this can only go vertical, like I said.
The colors on this product are also opaque, which is very different than the rest of our product line. It comes in 27 different colors, and there's 3 different color collections that it comes in. And it applies very much just like a typical paint. So you just paint it on there. I always pull everything in the direction of the grain. At the end, what's really nice about this product is it's extremely hydrophobic. As water does beat up and run off of it, it picks up any dirt on it, and it runs right off of the surface. So it does a really good job at keeping itself clean. It is an actual cream structure to it, so that's why it's recommended for vertical surfaces instead of horizontal surfaces. So as Alan mentioned, it's really great for doors, for windows, shutters, pergolas, anything that is running vertical. All right, give you the shot on this. And this is Rubio Monocoat WoodCream.